is an exciting day. Do a little unboxing here. See if it's broken. See if it works. See if I got the right thing. Package within a package. What could it be? Well, we'll give it to them. They stuffed it good. Quick start guy. With the quick start. The delivery driver asked me if I got a big enough one, and I said no. No, I didn't. That doesn't sound good. Did you guys hear that? It's quite a bit of damage right here. Somebody dropped the shit out of it. Pieces everywhere, that's great. Oh! Hopefully that's not important, right? I'll get that later. Keyboard. At least you do get all the accessories. Start guide, little blood. Packing sheet. What'd you do? I don't like the fact there's, look at these. Look at all this. It's just falling out. Who puts these kind of stickers on glass? Come on now. Who does this? Hopefully those screws are a fluke and in no way part of the computer. Fingers crossed. Hey, there's breakable stuff here, Wolfo. You should get out of here. Yeah, I'm talking to you. This is what you pay $30 extra for, I guess. The inside interior package. Awesome. Well, nothing looks obviously broken. So I can grab this real quick. Get a closer look at it. Hey, I'm trying to do stuff. Get, both of you. Get. Said I'm not happy. Oh. Thank you, iBUYPOWER, for sticking this onto the glass. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness, who does this?
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
Again with the stickers. Like, stuff like this just really irks me. You know, like if you're gonna put stickers directly onto the glass, like, use a good sticker. Don't use this cheap crap that does this. I'm gonna spend 30 minutes cleaning this off my damn PC. Yee! Well, this old camera, I forgot to charge it, so yeah, I'm gonna plug this in, see if it works, and then we'll get back to you. Well, I'm gonna run through some software and set this thing up and see if it doesn't work. But I cut my hand. Thing's already got my blood in it, so hopefully we bonded and she'll take me to the top. Well, I guess it's time for the review. So I ran some Cinnabitch test marks on it, and temperatures are holding where they're supposed to be. Everything checked out to what it's supposed to be. Nothing's broke. Everything's working. There's even like no little dings or anything on it. Really, honestly, nothing I can pick apart. Trust me, if there was, I would. But got lucky, or they're just good company. I don't know. I've heard both things, so. But here's my experience, and maybe it'll help you out, maybe it won't. Maybe you're just here to look at fancy lights. I don't know, I haven't done the colors or anything. I've just found this button.
Our new brake pads are really cool.